So we've got a group of 50 people. How many are doctors who have a law degree? So let's say we have something over here, and this is doctors. And then we have another thing over here, which is lawyers. And we're trying to figure out a certain group of 50 people, how many are doctors who have a law degree. So we're trying to find X. But remember, data sufficiency problems, you do not have to actually solve the problem. You're trying to figure out if your clues give enough information to solve it if you had to. Number 1 says, clue 1, in a group, 36 people are doctors. All right, so we got doctors and we got 36 of them. Well, that doesn't say anything at all about lawyers. So that doesn't work by itself. 2 says, in a group, 18 people have a law degree. You forget about clue 1. You're only dealing with clue 2. And you've got lawyers, and you've got 18 of them. Doesn't tell me anything at all about doctors, so that doesn't help me. So now what you do is you put clue 1 and clue 2 together. And that still doesn't help me. All I've got is this. Because it doesn't tell me any information about how many of the doctors are lawyers or how many of the lawyers are doctors. So that doesn't work. So I tried clue 1, that did not work. I tried clue 2, and that didn't work. I put them both together, and that didn't work. So nothing works. So your answer is E. You're done.